So part of my job is to choose paint colors for my clients, and it seems to be a problem that a lot of people go through, and so I thought it'd be worth sharing with you guys the process. We've talked before about choosing a paint color on a brick house and doing trim and things like that, but this time I'm going to do a door choice. One of my clients brought me their siding and their trim colors already chosen. I had nothing to do with those, and I have been tasked with choosing what color to go on the door. Now, she said it could be anything from purple to blue to red to green. So I have a number of options. So what I always do is pull out my paint deck. This one is Sherwin-Williams, but you know, every company has a paint deck that they work with that has every color that they offer, which is a great place to start. And of course, from this entire paint deck, I narrowed it down to the color range that she wanted and within some sort of tone that would work well-ish, right? We got to narrow it down, and then we'll narrow it down further from there. So what I didn't choose was oranges, seafoam greens, bright yellows, bright purples, and things like that. All of those are left in the deck, along with colors that are very matchy-matchy with this, like grays and sagey greens and things like that. We want something that pops just a little bit. But what I like to do in a case where we've got the light trim and we have a medium tone on the siding, I like to go a little darker with the door. So basically you have 3 shades going on within your composition of your home. So just keep all of that in mind. Again, if you have kind of an opposite situation, if you have light trim and a super dark siding, maybe you want to go lighter with the door. But I'm going to show you specifically what we did on this one to choose. And I've given her several options. I want to pull them out for you and show you. Again, since we're going to go dark, hopefully you guys can see, since we're going to go dark, we're going to stick with the bottom end of a lot of these paint strips. Everything up here is light and too close to the tone of what that siding is going to be, and so we want to stay to the bottom, because remember, these paint chips and cards go from light all the way down to the darkest shade. All right, so since we wanted to stay dark, here's the colors that I pulled for her. We've got several shades of red, and one that even comes down into kind of a plummy color with a little touch of purple in it. So all 3 of those. And then we've also come up with a really dark green, and then also a really dark blue. I have to say my favorite out of any of these is the blue color, which is it's called Gale Force, which again is the Sherwin-Williams color. And we'll get a little closer so you guys can see them comparatively here. But you can see here what that looks like again. So again, you've got dark, medium, and light. So you want to, no matter what composition you have in your space, whether you have dark trim, you want to make sure that you kind of have those 3, a dark, a light, and a medium. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment below. I'm happy to help any way I can. I know choosing a paint color can be really stressful, but I'm just trying to take a little bit of the difficulty out of it for you guys, because it can be easier, I promise. Let me know if you need any help.